Hello teachers, welcome to our 10 minutes mini lesson. Today we're going to learn the alphabet people activity. In the alphabet people, students describe different people using each letter of the alphabet. What you have to do is divide the class into small groups of 4 or 5 students. It works perfectly for kids, but also it can be used with adults and teenagers at a beginner level. The students take turns saying the following sentence. My name is blank. My friend's name is blank. We live in blank and we sell blank. Each gap must be completed with words beginning with the same letter of the alphabet. The first student does this with the letter A. For example, my name is Adam. My friend's name is Allison. We live in Australia and we sell apples. The following student continues with the letter B, and then the next one with letter C, and so on until they finish with letter Z. Alphabet People is a short non-competitive exercise that's great for beginners. You can use it as a quick, relaxed, one-more time filler or a way to practice the alphabet. You could also use it with your students learning phonics and specify that each new word must begin with the same phoneme. I really hope this activity turns into a fun way to practice pronunciation and the alphabet with your students. Thank you for watching. My name is Abdel Jacobo. Until the next one. Bye-bye.